Whenever you have different variables, and in particular when you have averages, you need to make sure that you always label them. For example, here we have a mean, mu, population mean, and over here we have mu with a little subscript next to it. It says mu of retrievers, a little retrievers next to it. Now, the only difference between these two is that one of them has this little subscript and the other one doesn't. The reason this matters is when you start to deal with more than one mu at a time, you need to figure out which one is which. For example, you might have the null hypothesis that one mu is equal to another mu. Now saying mu equals mu is pretty useless. However, saying mu of the group of huskies is equal to mu of the group of retrievers is trying to make the null hypothesis that the average of whatever you're measuring about huskies, maybe it's the length of their fur, is equal to the average, let's say, length of fur of retrievers. So if you're comparing the two dogs in that way, same idea in matched pairs. Now in matched pairs you end up with a single mean. You could say mu equals 0. But even still, with a single mean, it can be confusing whether you're talking about, let's say, before minus after or after minus before. So by giving a very descriptive subscript here to mu, I know exactly what it's talking about. I know exactly what the data refers to, and it makes it much easier than trying to write out in a bunch of sentences what everything means when you can have a simple label as a subscript.